Hello there. Today I want to show you how to make notebook design in our computer. It means in a MS Word program. It is easy. First you should click on layout, then you have to click on the margin, and also go down. There is a custom margin. You should click on it, then you have to zero the top one, and also bottom, left and right you should zero it. Then you have to click on OK. After this you have to go to the insert and before up driving, just a few click here. So down there it means I press the enter button, then I have to click on the table, then only one cell. It means if you wanna, it means wide this one, you should go there and also increase the height. So this I wanna make a notebook. These are, it is line, then I have go there, insert below. So this over, then you have go to the above, it means in the top of the page. In here you should click on the insert and you should click on a shape, then you have to draw one line there, straight line. You should copy it. So if you want to copy it, you have to press Ctrl D, it means duplicate, then you have to make it, it means fix it, and you must change its color, and also you can change its color like this. And so both of them I want to select, yeah, so we can down it like this. So again you should click on the insert, then you have to draw text box, and so right here something, and go there in non outline, and so change the font color. Here is black and it should be bold. I should write, it means date, like this one. So it's ready, then you can draw easily like this one.